they trusted this bridge, until it snapped and swallowed a whole train. If these stories hit you, follow now. Story 2002, Angola. A passenger train approached a small rural bridge during the rainy season. No one knew the soil beneath the bridge had already washed away. The structure looked solid, but underneath it was already sinking. As the train rolled over, the support columns dropped. One beam cracked, another twisted, and the train plunged straight into the river below. Lives were lost, all because the foundation failed silently. Lesson: a strong structure is useless if its foundation is weak. In life, fix your foundation before carrying any heavy weight. Comment, break, if insane. Subscribe for more insane stories like this.